Welcome back to our journey! As you know from the previous video, we finally arrived at Grand Teton after driving for 19 hours. We are unloading our America trip series, which was filmed 3 years ago. This is our third day of traveling. Grand Teton is a place where you can see many diverse mountaintops and lakes, and you can hike freely everywhere. Also, there are a lot of bears living here, as well as many other wild animals such as moose. First day breakfast in Grand Teton Village.
Pepper jack cheese,
Pepper jack cheese.
garlic, summer sausage, Ritz crackers.
Eating Jacob.
Jacob. Bagel 주세요. You want the fan wimpy?
What a delectable feast! I'm feeling my breakfast. This was our first morning in Grand Teton. We arrived late the night before, so this was the first time seeing the view. It was spectacular. We had to buy a park pass and bear spray, but we didn't know where to buy them, so we just started. On the way, we stopped by the Fields Lake area after finding the sign. We decided to get out for a warm-up hike. How do you feel for warming up hike?
I feel great.
Ha
It's amazing out here.
Oh yeah, you're recording. I didn't realize that. I feel good. It's nice to be out of the car.
We should buy a bear spray, 2 bear sprays, and bring some work clothes from our hostel. Yay!
We were like, how do we get a park pass? And then Garrett was just driving, and then we got a park pass.
Yeah.
Very easily.
And Garrett liked the man's beard.
Yeah, it was nice. Look at this sign. Bear attack.
This was the first time we saw a bear attack sign.
Are you prepared to avoid one?
Nope.
Finally, we bought it at a nearby mart. I still remember that we learned about 3 different types of bears living here before we started hiking, learning what to do if we encounter them. We decided to hike at Jenny Lake first. Let's go! This area's prices were high. The last day here, we bought bibimbap, and the price was more than twice what we are used to.
Lots of people are really excited about it. Do you want to stop and take a picture? Like everybody else is?
Sure, why not?
Our first day in Jenny Lake.
Let's go right.
Hi.
We planned to hike a big circle around Jenny Lake. The mountain tops were snowy. As you see, the view was very amazing. Amazing grace! We could see people jogging.
Wow, that looks fun.
Cute Jacob! We found another really beautiful lake on the way. I don't know the name, but it was stunning. Finally, Jenny Lake! Also, we could see a lot of bony and fallen trees. Let's admire the scenery for a moment. The man who always climbs rocks.
사진 찍게 하나 둘 셋 됐어.
We got closer to the lake. It was very quiet and peaceful. feeling the water, observing the scenery fully, and playing on logs too. Adventurous, Gareth. And then we headed to Hidden Falls. Then we went to the inspiration point. The path was very narrow and steep. It was quite scary. Looking down on the lake is really cool, isn't it? Looking out from inspiration point, we felt the greatness of the nature around us. We tried to continue on in the rain.
Oh, bye, Pebbles.
But the rain got heavier and we weren't sure where we were going. So we decided to go back.
Thanks, really what they're saying, right? No, it's okay. We're just going back, right?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm hiking.
Nice. Me too.
This is fun.
Me too.
We wondered what the day would have been if the weather would have been nicer. After taking pictures all together, we continued on around Jenny Lake. It was very rainy and I felt really exhausted, so I gave up filming eventually. Even though it was not easy to hike in the rain all day, we had fun together playing games like 20 questions on the way. After we finished hiking at Jenny Lake, we met some moose on the way to our hostel. We were really happy to see them, so we parked for a while and greeted them from far away. Look at the sunset behind the clouds. Isn't it cool? Our first day in Grand Teton finished like that. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. And please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.